Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did these encapsulated glitter nails. So here I've already sculpted out and extended my nails using the Young Nails Sculptor gel. And now I'm going in with Young Nails Flex. So the super runny gel. I'm just taking my Young Nails gel brush and I'm painting a thin layer on my pointer finger. This is going to be the base for the glitters. So I'm using this glitter called Leaf Green. It's from Michaels. It's the Coastal Village collection for the Recollections glitter. So I'm going in and taking a different brush. It is Light Elegance Oval number 4 brush. And I'm just placing the chunky glitter where I want it. I'm kind of curving it like an S pattern around my nail. And I'm trying to hide where, like my nail underneath, you can see it. And now I'm taking the same leaf green color except in the fine glitter. And I'm just sprinkling it around to create almost like an ombre effect of the glitter. And again, you want to stay kind of in this S pattern. Now I'm taking this purple holographic glitter. I got this one in a pack of 12 holographic glitters. I just got it from my local nail supply store. And I'm just sprinkling a few of these along the green as well. So here's what that one looks like. I went ahead and tapped off the excess and then flash cured that one for about 15 seconds. And then I went ahead and I did the same to the middle and the ring finger. So after I have all the glitter placed on, I went ahead and I did a full 3-minute cure in my UV light. And now I'm going back with my Young Nails Clear Sculptor Gel. I'm going to encapsulate the glitter and build up the apex. So first I'm putting a slick layer down just to help move the gel. And now I'm taking a larger glob and working it from the cuticle area down to the tip, just back and forth, side to side. And after I have the majority of it on, I go around and fix the edges, get it close to the edges and the cuticle, and work on the apex a little bit before I go in and flash cure, and then do the same to the other 5 fingers. So the ring finger I went ahead and left plain just because I'm going to be doing an accent finger on that one. but I did went ahead and added that extra layer and sculpted it up. So here's what they look like after I've already encapsulated the glitter. I went ahead and filed and buffed my nails. And now for the ring finger, I'm going to take Madam Glam's gel polish in Girl Power. And I'm going to go ahead and do 2 thin coats of this on my ring finger. And now I'm taking my No Cleanse top coat and putting that on the ring finger because I am going to add holographic powder to it. So here's the holographic powder I'm using. I got this one from Ocean Nail Supply. I'll put the link in the description down below. And for these powders, I honestly prefer my finger over any other tool. I just get a little bit on my fingertip and I rub it in. Sometimes I'll go in and refine it with a brush, and sometimes I just use my finger. And go ahead and put the No Cleanse top coat on top of the holographic powder to seal it in and cure for 2 minutes. So here I'm taking these Swarovski crystals. The color is Paradise Shine, and I'm taking some nail glue I got from Sally's and my crystal katana, and I'm going in and doing from large to small, kind of swirling around in that same S pattern on my pointer finger. And I just work with a little bit glue at a time just because it does dry fairly quickly. Then I went ahead and took my Young Nails base gel and a small detailing brush, and I went around the Swarovskis, at least the bigger ones, where they kind of poke up, just to help secure them to my nail, to help them from popping off and getting caught on anything. Now I'm going to take my Madam Glam top coat and top coat all of my nails. And you do want to go around the Swarovski crystals and not put top coat on top of them because it does dull the shine. And then I went ahead and did a second coat of that No Cleanse top coat on top of the holographic powder. And then I cured all my nails for 2 minutes under a UV lamp. So here's the final result. They came out so pretty and sparkly. This is my first time doing like an encapsulated glitter set with clear tips. And I'm super excited with how they came out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Subscribe for more. We'll see you next time. Bye!